Hello guys, this is God's Power. So like I told you, I will show you step by step how you can find a profitable keyword you want to rank for. So today we are going to look at this website, which is this website here, which is called Software SEO. We are going to promote Software SEO affiliate program. So if you scroll down here, you will find Software SEO affiliate program. So you have to go and join Software SEO affiliate program if you have not joined. So once you have joined Software SEO affiliate program, then you have to review Software SEO, the product that they have. If you click on pricing here, you will see the pricing of Software SEO so that you know how you can be able to structure your articles you want to write about Software SEO. So congratulations, you have your tool you want to promote on your website. Let me say you have a website that don't have a high domain authority. You need to make sure you focus on the keyword that have a low competition. So how can you do this? What you have to do, we need to go to Semrush to do our keyword research. So how to do our keyword research? Let us go to Semrush right now. So once we come to Semrush, click on this section where it says keyword overview. So when you click on keyword overview, it will open this page. So once it opens this page, what you have to do here, you have to enter the keyword you want to rank for. You know that you want to write articles, you want to write a blog about Software SEO. It's kind of a review. So what we have to do here, we have to search for Software SEO review. That is what we want to rank for. Software SEO review. We click on search. Make sure you select the country where you want to target. Is United States, and you click on search. You can see the volume of Software SEO review in United States is 390, and you can see global is 1300. And if you see the difficulties, the keyword difficulties here is 53, this is telling us that this keyword, which is Software SEO review, is a good keyword we have to rank for. So what you can look to here, you can see the CPC, which is cost per click. What Google is saying that the people that want to promote Software SEO are willing to pay. So which people that want to promote Software SEO review, people that want to use these terms, which is Software SEO review, that is how much they can pay. So now that you know about this, what I want you to do again is to come here, go to where it says Keyword Magic 2, click on Keyword Magic 2 here, click on this section here, and wait for it to open properly. So once it opens properly here, you can enter your keyword if your keyword did not display automatically. As you can see, my keyword rematched immediately. And what I need to focus on, I need to click on this section where it say you can see when you click on keyed here, this KD means the difficulties of the keyword. So what you can do here, you need to see it's a very hard, which is 85 to 100, and you can see hard, which is 70 to 84, difficulty, which is 50 to 69, and possible, which is 30 to 49, and you can see easy, which is 15 to 29, and very easy, which is 0 to 14. So you can see the difficulties you want. You can like focus on like the difficulties of the keyword, the keyword that you can see the list here. So what we have to do, let us click on put it on possible, like put it on this one here, which is 30 to 49. I'll put it in possible, and let us see what it's going to give us. You can see what it gives us is Software SEO reviews, not review anymore. You put S at the end. You can see that its search volume is 50, and as you can see the difficulties of the keyword, you can see keyword difficulty, you can see is 42. So let's say, for example, we don't like it. Let us click on where it say phrase match. Let us click on phrase match to see what is going to show. Phrase match did not show us anything here. What you can do is to go back again and click on this broad match. Click on broad match to see what is giving us here. On broad match, you can see the same thing is giving us here. Let us say, for example, we need to rank for like difficulty. Let us put it at difficulty to see. So once we put it at difficulty here, you can see it still give us Software SEO review, which is 390, which is the search volume 390, and the difficulty is 53. You remember the this one difficulty, you can see that it give us the same keyword, which is Software SEO review. Let us say, for example, we want to rank for this too. What you need to do, click on it. I will click on it. It will open in a new window. So it brings us back here again. So what you have to do here now is to look through. You can see the cost per click, which is what is people are going to pay, is there, which is $4.03, and the difficulties here is which is 53, and the search volume, which is 390, and global volume, which is 1,300. You can see related keyword here. You can see keyword variant, and you can see related keyword here, which you can go and write articles about. And what I want you to focus on, scroll down here, you can look at it, the top 10 result. So you can see people that is the first page of Google. This person is the first page of Google. Let me open this website now. Let me show you my magic, what I used to do. I will click on this arrow here. It will take me to this blog that this person has written. This is the person that is ranking on this keyword number 1 on Google. So once I come here, what I usually do, I will show you what I usually do, but first let us go to Google to make sure that this person is the person that is ranking for this keyword on Google. Let us go to Google and search for software SEO review. So as you can see, I have just searched for software SEO review here. I search for software SEO review, and I click on enter, I click on search, and you can see it gives me that same website, which is this website here, which is this website that we just opened, So this website, you just need to make sure that the website that you saw on Semrush is the website that Google is still showing. So you can see this website here, which is Demand Search. They are the one ranking at the top here. You can see demandsearch.com. So you can see that this website is the website that is ranking on top. So what you have to do here is you need to go back again to software SEO here, and you need to do the same thing for this one here. Look at this website too that I've written a blog about software SEO review. So what you have to do, click on it and open it. So once you open it, you can see Brian is the one doing it. This guy is a YouTuber. So if you scroll down here, what I usually do, I will open at least 10 of this website. And once I've opened 10 of this website, look at my strategy. What I have to do, I will take the topic that they have written. I'll take the topic. I'll go and rewrite what they have done. I will not copy their content. I will not use their content. I'm going to go and rewrite my own content. I will go to this my SEO tools website here. You can go and check this SEO tools. It's doing a lot of things. Go on SEO when it comes to SEO. So I will click on where I see word counter. So when I click on word counter here, I will paste in. First of all, I will enter the keyword we are ranking for. Remember, the keyword we are ranking for is software SEO review. So here I'm going to enter software SEO review. I'm going to just quickly enter that, and at the bottom here I'll enter topic. I will call it topic, which is what I want to be writing about, and I will enter the first topic here, which is the one I copy from that website. I'll paste it here. So I'll go back again to the same website again, which is this website here. Once I come to this website again, you see I open these two websites. I open this guy Brian website, that is the guy that is doing YouTube, and I open this Demand Search website. So all I just need to do is to take the title that they have written articles about. I will take it, come to this my SEO tools, come to this website here. What I want to do, I just want to take at least 5 from different websites. I'll take five from here, 5 topics from here, 5 topics from another website, 5 topics from another website. You see, I will copy this again. I will copy this, and I will come back again, come to this session, and I will paste in this my topic here, and I will go back again to the other website here, which is this one. I will come to this brand website too, and I will copy the topic and come back again to these two and paste it here. So what I'm trying to do here is that I'm going to write articles about this topic. So I'm not just going to take all the topics that they have written, but I'm going to take 5 from at least 10 websites that have written software SEO review. So what I'm trying to do is to beat them, like combine what they have done and beat them on Google search engine. So that is the strategy I'm using here. So now let us assume now I have the articles I have all the topics I want to write about. Then I can now go and write a blog about this software SEO review content. I'll go and write a blog about this and deep into it, give more structure my content to make sure it's more better than what they have written and it's more value than what they have done. So more you give value to your content, more is attractive to your audience, and more Google is going to rank it and show it to people. And always ask question from your content and answer it. So ask question and answer. So when you are doing this, which is FAQ, when you are doing this, if you are doing this, you will see that FAQ, if we go to Google now, let us just go to Google here. You can see this is people also ask. So this is what people are asking on Google. So if you open here, you can see that this person here is the one ranking for this, which is Brand. This is Backlinko. They are the one that have answered this question. As you can see, they are ranking on this position. They are the one replying this question. If you open it now, you will see the answer of this. Say, what is software SEO used for? So you can click here now and it will give you details about what software SEO is. And that is it. So what you have to do, structure your content, make sure it's SEO friendly, and make sure you give value more than what people that is ranking at the top of Google. So what you have to do too is to check how many words that they have written. You can see that this person here, which is Dimanche Serge, is getting the traffic is getting to this blog is 109 every single month. If you click on it, say estimate monthly traffic for domain in United States, you can see it's getting 109 to this website. And as you can see, this person have written the word that this person have written on this blog, which is 4,000 plus. You can see 4,000 plus word here that this person have written. And how many times this person have using this keyword, the keyword which is software SEO review. You can see it say number of exact keyword measured on this review. So you can see that this person mentioned the keyword software SEO review 5 times. If we come down again here, you can see the second person here, he have done the same thing, and this person did not mention the keyword, and this person have written 1,893 word. The second person here, he did not write anything. This is just a review website. And this person here is just 200 word. And this person here, there's no content here. This person have written 5,000 word. And if you keep on going, you see different people with different word. This person have written 9,000 word. Look at the people that is ranking at the first and the second of the page, so that you will know how you can structure your own content to be able to rank at the top of Google. So now that you get the idea, what you have to do now is to go and write your blog about this software SEO review. So I'm going to end this video here, guys. So I'll say thank you very much if you watch it to this end, and don't forget again to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, just leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this video I just made today, and I'll say thank you. And if you want to make 10K every single month, you need to watch this my video that will pop up right now to learn how you can make up to 10K every single month by just blogging and writing articles about companies, software, cryptocurrency platform, and so on and so on. I will say thank you very much, guys, and see you on my next video.